we're gonna be doing today is gonna be called keygenme-py. So we're just gonna copy this link and then go right here on iTerm, and then we're just gonna clear this real quick, and then we're just gonna do wget name of the file, and then I think we could just do something like this. I don't think I have wget, so I'm not sure about this feature, so we're gonna see it right now. So it's gonna be curl, and then that curl, and then we just copy this part of the file right here, which is this, and then we're just gonna go like that, and then we're gonna cat keygen. We're gonna do nano. Yeah, cat keygen me-py. And we get all this stuff right here, base, all this stuff right here. So we want to look at this right here: import hashers, import base64, import Fernet. So we get PicoCTF, we get parts of the flag, and then second part of the flag, and then the ending. So we want to be able to get this part. So we want to be able to get key part 1, static key part this. So this seems like it's gonna be all important right here. So let's keep on looking. Welcome. This is a child. This full version may be purchased near the last. What we like to do, and then estimate vector, enter license. So the one that looks interesting is enter license. So if we go to enter license, enter your license screen, username, it be your username child. If decrypt full version, else key is not allowed, check your data entry. So decrypt full version, decrypt full version. Decrypt full version. So we get the keystring encode, keyb64 open, decrypt loop full for every written keygen. Full version is not written to this, already exists of this file. Okay, f.decrypt. So where did they get key part static trial? Oh yeah, key trial, dynamic trial. Yeah, so this adds to that full part, dynamic trial 1. So we want to check where dynamic trial 1 is, because at the end of the day that makes up the flag. So dynamic trial 1. Oh, check key. So where does check key get called? Check key is the user key and B username trial. Okay then. So okay, I think I have an idea what to do now. So we'll do nano solve. We'll open up 2 terminals. Shell, new window. Delete that. Shell, new window. Oh wait. Shell, new tab. How about that? We have 2 tabs now. So we go cd downloads. That, and then we go nano solve.py, and then nano solve.py. We just delete all this right here. Now what we want to be able to go is go right here, and let's just steal this part right here. Even though we're probably not going to use all of these, but it's still pretty good. Control K, and then we know these parts are pretty solid. And then we have keygen check key. So it checks the key. If to do test performance, if key at 1 for every and key part start trial 1, which is key start key part dynamic trial 1. Dynamic trial 1. For every C, check dynamic part if key and hash. Okay, so we're gonna have to do something like this: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so print f print, and then we just do something like this. Ooh, we could just print that out like that. So you just do that like how many times? So just copy this. Control C. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's 4, 5, 3, 6. 4, 5, 3, 6. 4, 5, 3, 6. 4, 5, 3, 6. 2, 7, 1, 8. 2, 7, 1, 8. 2, 7, 1, 8. And then what's that? I'll just delete that. Control K. And then we run Python 3 solve.py. Go back right here, nano solve.py right here. So this is where it has the little hiccup right there, but that could be fixed. Control X, yes. Then go up. Unicode objects must be encoded before string. So nano username child. Oh, so just simply putting -b to be unicoded. Now we just do that. And then this is the, I guess, the values right here. So what we could do is basically do something like this to solve this challenge. So we already have all three parts of it right now, since we know that this is the first part of it. PicoCTF, yeah, that's the first part of the flag. PicoCTF. Command C, go put it right. Oh, nope, not right there. And there's this values which we found using the Python code right here. So you just go like that, and it's, I'm pretty sure it's gonna print it all together. It might be with spaces, but it's better than nothing. And then it's gonna close it out and then enter, and hooray, you solved this challenge. So we solved it. So that was pretty cool. Keygen.py. So I guess the only reason I came to that conclusion very quickly was that if you look at the code right here, enter license, and then it checks the key. I'm assuming check the key will be the flag. And it says check the dynamic part, which the dynamic part, since the static child one is getting checked right here, this is gonna check the dynamic part. And right here it says right here part dynamic child, which is something that hasn't been made yet, so it's checked the dynamic part. So that's where I came to that conclusion, this because this was a static part and it checked it already in the code. So yeah, that's about it for this challenge. Hope you guys learned something new today. I know I did, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.